If you're planning a team retreat and looking for a seamless way to organize the entire process, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Navan for team retreats and show you just how powerful this platform is for simplifying your planning and execution. Navan is a dynamic tool that allows you to streamline the way you book travel, accommodations, and activities for your team retreats, making it the perfect solution for business leaders looking to organize a retreat quickly and efficiently. First off, one of the most impressive features of Navan is its ability to bring all aspects of retreat planning together in one place. You can easily book flights, hotels, and transportation for your team, all from a single dashboard. This eliminates the hassle of jumping between multiple platforms and spreadsheets, saving you time and stress. With Navan's intuitive interface, you'll be able to set up a retreat itinerary in no time. You can input dates, destinations, and preferences, and Navan will automatically suggest the best options based on your criteria. Whether it's booking flights for a team spread out across the country or organizing lodging in a new city, Navan handles it seamlessly. You can even filter options based on team needs, such as proximity to meeting spaces, budget, or preferred amenities. Another major benefit is the ability to manage expenses. Navan tracks all your spending in real time, ensuring you stay within your budget. It's not just about booking, it's also about monitoring costs, which is crucial for managing a company retreat's overall financial impact. You can easily compare prices and make adjustments as needed. One of the standout features when using Navan for team retreats is the integration of corporate travel policies. If your company has specific guidelines or restrictions on travel spending, Navan ensures all bookings align with those policies. This helps you avoid unnecessary overages while still providing your team with a comfortable experience. Plus, you can customize the system to automatically align with your team's travel preferences. Navan's collaboration tools also make it easy for your team to stay on the same page during the retreat planning process. Share the retreat itinerary with your team, allow them to add suggestions, and make adjustments in real time, all within the platform. This ensures everyone's on the same page and that nothing gets overlooked. Now, if you're thinking this sounds like a tool only for large companies, think again. Navan scales to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes, making it a valuable resource for smaller teams as well. Whether you're planning a small offsite or a large company retreat, Navan's flexibility makes it an excellent option. At the end of the retreat, Navan even helps with the post-trip process. It simplifies the expense reporting process by collecting receipts, trip details, and travel expenses in one place, saving time on reimbursements and reporting. You can use this software completely free with our exclusive bonus offer. Just click the first link below to get started and claim your extended trial. Navan isn't just for travel. It's an all-in-one platform that's perfect for simplifying team retreats from start to finish. Make sure to grab your exclusive extended free trial by following the link in the description and see for yourself how much easier your next team retreat can be.